What's up, everybody? Benny here with Jim Trenary Chevrolet in O'Fallon, Missouri. Today we're going to run through the safety features available on the 2019 models. Safety is oftentimes the most important consideration a customer can make when deciding to purchase a new vehicle. That's why Chevrolet offers a wide range of available features and technologies to help you and your family drive with confidence. Let's start with the front and rear parking assist. When the vehicle is below 5 miles an hour, the front and rear parking assist provides distance-to-object alerts in order to help the driver park and avoid crashing into nearby detected objects directly ahead or behind the vehicle during low-speed maneuvering. Next is the rear cross-traffic alert. When in reverse, the rear cross-traffic alert helps the driver avoid crashing into approaching detected left or right cross-traffic. For example, out of a crowded parking space or driveway with the blind spot obstructions. Speaking of blind spots, lane change alert with side blind zone alert provides side mirror alerts to help the driver avoid crashing into a moving vehicle detected in their side blind spot or zone, or a vehicle rapidly approaching from their side blind spot during a lane changing maneuver. This can be especially helpful for families with large amounts of groceries or luggage piled up in the rear cargo area. The next feature is called Lane Keep Assist and Lane Departure Warning. This provides gentle steering wheel turns and alerts if necessary to help drivers avoid crashes due to unintentionally drifting out of their lane when they're not actively steering and their turn signal's not activated. However, if you find yourself drifting off the road during a long road trip, don't rely on Lane Keep Assist or a vat of strong coffee to keep you safe. Do everyone on the road a favor. Either switch drivers or find the nearest hotel and call it a night. Sound good? Alright, moving on. Intellibeam headlamps. These will activate the high beam headlamps to illuminate the road ahead and improve visibility, especially in dark conditions. With the help of the front camera mounted on the windshield in front of the inside rearview mirror, the system recognizes the headlamps or tail lamps of another vehicle and automatically switches the headlamps to low beam in order to prevent impairing the vision of drivers in other cars. Next up, adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control enhances regular cruise control to allow the vehicle to automatically follow a detected vehicle ahead at the driver's selected following gap while the driver steers, reducing the need for the driver to frequently brake or accelerate. Now I know what you're thinking. Benny, what if I misjudge the following gap and I start following the car in front of me way too closely? Well, I'm glad you asked. And that brings us to forward collision alerts. Forward collision alerts tell the driver that a front-end collision situation is imminent while following a detected vehicle. The system will also alert the driver if the driver is following a detected vehicle much too closely. Subsequently, low-speed forward automatic braking occurs when the vehicle is traveling below 50 miles an hour and the system senses that a front-end collision with a detected vehicle is imminent. The system automatically applies the brakes to potentially help reduce the severity of impact. It may even help avoid an accident altogether at very low speeds. And finally, the GM patent safety alert seat. The safety alert seat provides the driver the option of getting haptic seat bottom vibration pulses instead of audible crash avoidance alerts. And don't forget, safety or driver assistance features are no substitute for the driver's responsibility to operate the vehicle safely on the road. Stay attentive to traffic, surrounding areas, and road conditions at all times. To check out any of these features and schedule a test drive, come into Jim Trenary Chevrolet in O'Fallon, Missouri, or visit our website, jimtrenaryoFallon.com.